Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can compose and send a new text message on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on the text messaging app, and then I'm going to choose all messages at the top here. And once you're in the messages list, you can either compose a new text by tapping on the new button at the top here, or you can reply to a text message. Okay, so if you want to reply, then you just tap on this box here, you start replying to a text message. So let's say I'm going to compose a brand new text message. So I tap on this new button, and in the to text field, you can manually put in the phone number, or you can tap on the add button here, and you can select a contact from your list. And then we're going to select a contact, and then in here you can start to write the text. So this is a test. Now you can also attach a photo, so you can use the camera to take a photo. So you can use the camera right here to take a photo, and then tap on the done button. Now before you send a photo, you can also apply effects. You can edit the photo and do some markup on the photo right here, and then tap on save, and then tap on attach. So tap on this blue button to attach the image. Okay, and there is also this A button here that you can tap on to show a toolbar at the bottom here, which allow you to attach even more photos from your photos gallery. And then I can close that. I can also include other things such as my activities in here. These emojis you can also select, or memojis. And you can also include other things like music, images, stickers, digital touch, even YouTube's video link or TikTok video link. Okay, there are also dot button, you can tap on it, and this will bring up all the things that you can use to attach to your text message. Okay, once you are done with your text message, you can then tap on the send button. Okay, so that's how you can compose and send a text message on the iPhone 13. Now in the text message at the top here, you can tap on that, and that will bring up the contact information. And in here you can tap on information to view the information. You can send message, share contact, add the contacts to favorites, or you can block this caller from sending you a text message. And if you go down here, you can see there are some other options as well. You can hide alerts from this particular person in a text message. You can choose to turn on or turn off, send read receipt for this person, or share focus status, as well as it will show you all the photos that you have sent to this person. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.